Welcome to the FSCJ Library. In this video, we'll guide you through essential library services, including searching for books, eBooks and articles in the Primo catalog, filtering your searches, locating peer-reviewed journal articles, and saving the citations and permalinks for resources. You should be logged in on the catalog search page for this part. How to search for and request physical books. Enter the title, author, or keyword of the book you are looking for in the search bar, and press the search icon. Then use the availability on shelf, and for the resource type, select books and apply your filters to narrow down your search results to only physical books. Select the book you want from the search result. Under Get It, click on Request. Next, select your location, and then click Send the request. How to search for and access eBooks. To find eBooks, enter the search terms in the search bar and press Enter. Use the availability online, and under Resource Type, select Books. Apply the filters to limit your search results to only eBooks. Select the ebook you want from your search result. Click on the online access links to find and access your ebook. How to search for and access other e-resources in Primo. Enter your search terms in the search bar and press Enter. Use the filters on the left to refine your search to other types of resources like articles or even videos. Click on the online resource type to access the resource. How to find the citation generator. To find the citation generator, click on the citation button from the library home. Copy the citation that is appropriate for your class. How to locate the permalink. To find the permalink generator, click on the permalink from the library homepage. Copy and save the permalink. This is your direct link back to this resource. How to use filters. In addition to the filters that I have shown you already, other filters on the left can be used to narrow down your search results by availability, resource type, creation date, and more. I'm going to demonstrate using creation date. Apply the filters needed to narrow down your results. How to filter for peer-reviewed journal articles. First, under Availability, you want to select peer-reviewed journals. Then scroll down to Resource Types and select Articles. Apply these filters to receive only results that are peer-reviewed, as you will see in the results list. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you navigate the FSCJ Academic Library with ease. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.